I'll be explaining you how you can use the range function of Python in Mojo, right? So you may be thinking like how we can create a range function over there in a Mojo. So in a Mojo also we have the same thing, right? Create from like in a Python we have this, right? Same way what we need to do from tab, create it to fn, change it to fn, then main. I'm typing it hello world. If you want it, you can do that. I can just remove it. And right now for ranges, to create a range from 1 to 100 with a cap of 10, I'm printing it over here. Right? Same, you can do it on your system. And for to run it, Mojo. Okay, I need to exit that. No problem. I can open it a new terminal. Okay, so type Mojo, then 1.1. That's what I named this function, and I will share all these details in the description. So check it there. All the links that you needed, where the GitHub link also I will share with you. And yeah, and this is the way how you can create the range function in it. And you can see it here from 0 to 90. We have the details with the cap of 10.